Greetings, this is Karni with our weekly astrological forecast, and this time I'm going to talk to you about the power of the mind. But first, I want to say hello from Italy because I'm broadcasting from beautiful Tasserolo in Italy. We saw some deer here before, so maybe they'll jump in the background. Gufnit Salvi and myself are here now preparing to start a workshop that will start tomorrow on Friday. It's Thursday morning now here, and we're very excited about it. And today I want to talk to you about the cosmic power of this month, which is the power to create our own reality, starting with what we actually think. And I hope that you know about the new astrology, but if not, I'll give a short explanation. Every month, the sun is aligned to another constellation, and this constellation gives us the personal development pathway of learning something new about the universe and developing ourselves and proceeding and hopefully going forward in our spiritual quest. And this month, the pathway that is open before us is the pathway of creating our reality according to what we think. We can call it the power of the mind, or manifesting our reality, or think it and it shall happen. So, what is that? What is this unique possibility that opens before us? First of all, to say that it's connected to the constellation of Libra, which is now aligned to the sun. Now, it's quite different than what most astrologers say, that this is the end of Libra, but actually, astrology was not updated for 2,000 years. And if we're looking at the astronomical facts, we will see that actually only now the sun enters the realm of Libra and will be there till mid-November. Again, it's different than the classical astrology that you know. If you don't understand what I'm saying, if you think I'm wrong, take a look at my site, anewastrology.com. I explain there thoroughly about the new astrology. So this month the sun is aligned to the constellation of Libra. And I call this area in the sky where the constellation of Libra is the realm of creativity, or the realm of creation. And this is the cosmic pathway, one of 12 developmental pathways. And this pathway talks about creating our reality. And the way to do that starts with what we think and what we say, what we write, what we speak, the power of the mind, the air element that actually starts the creation of our reality. So, what should we be mindful of during this week? Of course, be mindful of what you think and what you say, and of any thought patterns that you encounter in yourself. You might even notice more what you're actually saying to yourself. Are you saying to yourself, no, this cannot be done? Or are you saying to yourself, yes, I am successful, I'm wonderful, I deserve the best in the world? And the second thing, after locating our thought patterns that we might want to change, is putting their positive thought patterns. Sorry, it's very early in the morning. I kind of just woke up in another country. I arrived last night. So we're looking for new and positive thought patterns, sayings, phrases that we want to start to embed ourselves with. By the way, in the astrological card deck that I've created, the astrological cards, each card comes with a phrase, with a mantra that you can adopt. Like, I create my own my own life. I am positive. I am beautiful, etc., etc. It actually goes much deeper than that. But try to adopt positive thinking patterns to yourselves, because this is the start to create your own reality. Second is to really stop and think and plan. And this is usually not what people do. People start their day rolling with the tasks, with the pressures of last day, last week. Can you really stop each morning when you can for a few minutes and plan and envision what it is that you want to see in your life? And this envision can include the qualities that you want to see during the day, like a calmness, care, friendship, happiness, enthusiasm. And also, it can include actual things that you want to invite to your day. So, this is utterly important because people usually react to what is already at play instead of stop and plan what they actually want in their lives. So these are two very, very important things that you can do during your this coming month, because it's a whole month where this is a very possible thing to do, to change your thought patterns first and to plan your reality, and from that to actually create it. And if you take the time and do it, you'll find that it's much easier actually during the coming month to spot your thought patterns, to insert new thought patterns instead, which are positive, which are promotive, and it's really, really possible to take the time and plan your reality. The third thing is the magic. And the magic is that during the coming month, there is help from the stars, from the universe, to really actualize the reality that you envision much quicker. So this is really an added bonus that comes from the stars. Now add with the final thing, which is find the reason. Find the reason that for you to create your reality, because you don't want things just for your own well-being. Yes, it's good to have, a nice bank account, a loving husband, and a good family, and the best health, and I wish all of you that. But this is not the end of it. The reason needs to come from a higher source, and the higher a reason for that is that when you are in well-being, you can do your godly work here on planet Earth. And this is what God needs now, people doing his work, bringing more light, helping other people. So you will really quickly find out that if you're manifesting your reality not only for your own good, but you actually really want to do it to be in well-being so you can help the world, you'll even find out that your reality is manifesting much quicker than you thought. And don't forget to leave room for good surprises, because we can't plan everything. Actually, everything that we plan comes from the area of what we already know. So always leave room for good surprises. And maybe like me, you'll find yourself in Costa Rica and Italy, different amazing places in the world, because you were open to the wonderful surprises that the universe wants to give to those who want to help the human race at this time. Last but not least, there is an amazing retreat coming ahead. I think you kind of missed the retreat in Italy because it starts tomorrow, but uh, Costa Rica, which is the most amazing location in the world, is waiting and calling, and there is a retreat. People are already gathering. It's actually half full, and we will be very happy to see you there with us. It's in February. I'm sure you can find all the details somewhere here around. Take a look, come with us, and start creating your reality in the most amazing way you never even imagined. So, goodbye, and till soon. Bye bye.